Turborepo is an intelligent build system by the creators of Next.js framework that is optimized to run your build, lint, and test scripts very fast. It has two defining features. It remembers the output of your build by generating unique hashes for each task you run. So if you run the same task more than once, it will check its cache, and if it exists, skip rerunning the task. It's also able to run more than one task at once instead of one after another, making the whole process faster. I'm going to show you how to install and use turbopack in your Node.js app. We're going to use a Vite app built with React and TypeScript. The first step for us will be to install it. You can install it globally via npm so that you can use it for several projects without reinstalling. To get it running with our Vite app, we need to do two things. First, we need to tell Turborepo how to run our build tasks. In package.json, this build task does two things. It compiles the TypeScript code first and then builds the code. The two tasks are run here as one task. To take full advantage of Turborepo's capability, we can separate this task into two by creating a separate task for linting. So we got a build and a lint task. We then need to let Turborepo know of our tasks. So we need to create a turbo.json config. Inside the config, we first set the JSON schema that this config follows. We just use Turborepo's default schema. We then add a pipeline key where we'll add the two tasks. We add the build task and then provide output configuration, which tells it where to store the output of this task. For this, we have told it to put the output in the dist directory. We then finally add the lint task that will run our lint script. We can then run the two scripts by running turbo build lint in our terminal. We can confirm the build ran successfully by looking into the dist directory. There is also a .turbo directory where you can see the build logs of your task. If you run the same task again, you'll notice it runs almost instantly and shows an indicator that is two cached tasks. It will only rerun the build if the file contents change.